Hey there, this is author-illustrator Jarrett Lerner back for another episode of What Can You Do with a Letter U? And today we are going to draw some cats. So, as I've said in a lot of other videos, there's no right or wrong way to draw anything. Everyone can draw anything they want, whatever way they want. And there's as many ways to draw a cat as there are artists, as there are people drawing them. Some people draw cats a variety of ways. I myself have a variety of ways that I draw cats, depending on what I'm using it for, what I'm doing it for, when I'm doing it. But today, we're going to make a letter U cat, and we're going to start with a big upside down letter U. Next, we're going to add a couple triangles for ears. We're going to add some eyes and a triangle for the nose. Whiskers are just some lines. You can make letter U arms. You can use sideways U's or J's for feet. About a couple of U's or a W for a mouth. You can make a tail with sort of like an S shape. And then another S shape beneath it. You can add little triangles in there, in the ears if you want. You can add some stripes. Another variation. If you want to make your cat even more expressive, and give it some larger eyes. Let's give it a circle or an oval nose this time. I'm leaving these little white spaces on the nose and the eyes to sort of create a shine effect. Maybe I'll tip this one like the cat's waving high. Maybe add some claws. How about one more? So if I draw these ears and I don't finish the triangles, and instead I add a second triangle oriented the other way, that looks like the ears are falling. And maybe I tip the whiskers a bit as curves instead of straight lines. Maybe instead of giving this cat pupils, I'll give him some letter U's in his eyes. Open mouth. Maybe I'll make his tail down. And there. Can make a sleepy cat. So, what can you do with a letter U? You can draw some cats.